How to download study records from ClinicalTrials.gov. Users can download information about studies in two places on ClinicalTrials.gov. This video covers how to download information from the search results page. The second place is under My Saved Studies. The download function on that page works the same way as described in this video. You can learn how to manage saved studies in a separate video. For more information about downloading study records, please refer to the page titled How to Download Study Records under the Data and API menu on ClinicalTrials.gov. To download study records from the search results page, select the studies that interest you. Next, click the Download button. On the pop-up, the first choice you see is File Format. You can select one of three file formats. CSV stands for comma-separated values. CSV files can be opened in Excel and other spreadsheet and database programs. Under Results to Download, you can choose to download all the studies in your search, the studies that you've selected, or the number of top studies that you would like. In this example, I'll select the top 500 studies. Next, you can choose the specific kinds of information, also called data fields or data elements, that you would like to download. Under Data Fields, ClinicalTrials.gov makes 30 different kinds of information available for download in the CSV format. 9 of those are pre-selected. You can add or remove any fields that you want. You can also add all fields by clicking Select All, or remove all fields by clicking Deselect All. Once you've established the fields that you want, your selection will remain until you change it again or clear your browser history. The next format available is JSON, which stands for JavaScript Object Notation. This format is useful for website development, data analysis, and software engineering. Again, you can choose to download all of your search results, the studies you've selected, or the top number of studies you choose. Under Data Fields, you can select All Available. This option downloads all publicly available data fields. Under Most Popular, 8 fields are pre-selected out of 31 total fields. The final option in JSON is Custom Set. Under this option, users can build a custom set of data fields from hundreds that are publicly available. The final file format is RIS, which stands for Research Information Systems. This format is compatible with reference management software such as EndNote and Mendeley. The choices under Results to Download remain the same: all studies in the search, the number selected, or the top number of studies. Click RIS Download to learn the data elements that will be included. Finally, click the Download button. That's how to download study records from ClinicalTrials.gov.